Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daniel. Happy birthday to you.
Ready?
Whoa! Yay!
Daniel, look inside the turkey. Okay. Wait, let Daniel touch the crab.
Hold on.
I can't think of it. Whatever.
Oh, wow!
I already got a picture. Hi, Money.
Hi, Money.
Okay, go see Daddy. Daddy's got a game for y'all to do. Something for y'all to do. Daniel!
He had to taste it. I need a blindfold.
Go see Daddy. Go with Daddy.
Whoever gets the one first. I get to do it first. No, Daniel.
Somebody hang that pinata on that hook,
I will.
and I'll raise the basketball goal up.
Okay, we ready?
Hold on.
You can hold the camera.
All
Right?
right.
Papa, raise it up. Y'all ready? Let go up.
Well, he can hit. The little kids go. We'll raise it up where he can get a good hit on. Nah, he'll bust it open. That might be good. I think we're supposed. I think we got to blindfold the big kids or something. Spin them around.
Let the little ones go first and then let
We'll let the little kids hit it, and then the big kid. All right.
Hit it, Daniel.
All right. Sefton's turn.
Daniel, hold up.
Whoa, it's Sefton's turn. Alright, Sefton, you'll come whack it?
Come here, Daniel.
Sefton. Hey, there's candy in there, buddy. Hit it hard as you can, Sefton. Hard as you can. Y'all stand back. Somebody's gonna get it open. No, we're just to the biggest. It's biggest.
Here's Lacey.
Lacey, come on, Lacey.
Lacey, have a turn now. We'll
Here, I'll stand right here with you.
I think Holly.
Everybody gets a turn, baby. Then everybody will get another turn. Hey, come on now.
No.
Everybody gets a turn.
No. It's Laura, then Laura.
You're on camera, Sefton. You're on camera, buddy.
Everybody gets a turn.
Okay, here, Lacey.
Come on, come on. She don't get whacked.
Don't whack it. Go hit it like you do your brother.
Hit it.
Hold there. Look, once those come over, do that.
Hit it again.
Lacey, you heifer.
That's the good thing about Lacey.
Matt, you can't hit it. You're too strong. You'll bust it open.
You have to be one of the last.
You good?